Once upon a time, in the vibrant heart of Kingston, Jamaica, there lived a young woman named Pat. She was a talented dressmaker, her hands weaving magic into every stitch, creating gowns that shimmered like the Caribbean sun and flowed like the gentle ocean waves. Pat's shop was her sanctuary, a place where dreams of love and beauty came to life. Yet, beneath her bright smile, her heart yearned for something more than fabric and thread. She longed for a love as fiery as the island's sun. One sweltering afternoon, as Pat was finishing a stunning lime green dress, a tall, rugged man walked into her shop. His name was Jack, a passionate plumber known across Kingston for fixing leaks and restoring water to homes and hearts alike. Jack's eyes sparkled with mischief and kindness, and when he saw Pat's work, he was captivated, not just by her talent, but by her vibrant personality. As they spoke, their worlds collided in a whirlwind of energy. Jack, with his rough hands and infectious laugh, told her stories of fixing pipes in the rain, of dancing in the street during carnival, and of a dream to build something lasting, like love itself. Pat, with her bubbly passion for life and her craft, found herself drawn to his warmth and strength. One evening, under the glow of the setting sun, Jack returned to her shop with a small, stuffed pipe toy, his way of saying thank you. As he handed her the stuffed toy, their fingers brushed, igniting a spark that danced through the air. Pat's cheeks blushed as Jack looked into her eyes and said, "Pat, you fixed more than just pipes. You've mended my heart." From that moment, their love story began like a reggae rhythm, intense, passionate, unstoppable. Jack would fix her leaky pipes with a smile, and Pat would sew him shirts that made his heart race with gratitude and joy. They danced in the rain, laughed in the streets, and loved fiercely. Two folks from different worlds, united by a love that no storm could extinguish. And so, in the heat of Kingston, their love story became a legend, an epic tale of passion, resilience, and the unbreakable bond of two hearts daring to beat as one.